Hi, welcome to Nevermore Entrance Sanctuary. This is your favorite hippie Jay at about 1:30 a.m. or so. I just went outside and checked on all the critters. All the minis are fed. They all got their water, and yeah, that's my foot. And yeah, and my sock. And so I think I'm gonna get out of here and kind of clean myself up here. Yeah. And take a shower and hopefully hear these puppers like Kevin. I think he's got some pretty dirty paws here. And Maya too. That's Maya. There she is. And Josie is absolutely unguilty, has no cares in the world. We will talk about it tomorrow, Poopa Dog, okay? Say hi to Deb. Say hi to Deb, Josie. You're the Poopa Dog. Yeah, I know. I know. And, yeah. And my cat. Here is Marley, not Bob. And, yeah, I think I somehow have to find a place here to sleep. I'm gonna try at least. But first, I'm gonna get cleaned up. Okay. Good night.